Building with Papa. Okay, a customer called me out and showing me these beams. They're really rotted. The three here in the middle are rotted at the top, but the main beam is what is really bad. All right, let's get started. Okay, we're getting ready to take these down. The three are rotted on the top. The other two are okay. We're going to leave them. Well, we have to remove it all first. Then we're going to put up new stuff. All right, let's get started. This is one of the good ones. And then they all get rotted through here, the large one. And then the tops of these. All right, let's get them out. You gotta get the nails out of the hangers. Well, you can see how bad this beam is, and now it's starting to rain on us, but we welcome the moisture. We're gonna take this all down and take it to my shop and cut everything. Here I use the rotted one as a template and cut it with a Sawzall, 9-inch blade cut right through. Then after I cut them, Tyson's over here and he's painting them. We're gonna put 2 coats on before we install them. I have to chisel out the ends of these beams so that they'll fit into the saddles. Okay, we got the beam up. Now we'll get the trellises on. The beam's up, and now we're gonna put in the rest of the framing. It's coming together nicely. All right, it's all in. Looks good. Just got to do some paint touch-ups, clean up, and we're out of here. Another good job. Building with Papa. Give me a thumbs up. Building with Papa. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. This came out really nice. The customer is very happy. I hope that you can give me a thumbs up and that we'll see you on the next one.